Hi, my name is Anis. My metric number is 2023-611194.
My name is Haziq. My metric number is 2023-604-532.
Hi, my name is Mukri and my metric number is 2023-810-642.
Hi, my name is Shamil. My matrix number is 2023628092.
Question 1. Explain briefly on the concept of compound interest and list of formulas that can be used in compound interest. Compound interest can be defined as calculating the principal amount along with accumulated interest of previous period. It is also known as interest on interest. Next, for the formula that can be used in compound interest, we have future value, which is S, equal to P, standing for present value, in bracket 1 plus I, or periodic interest rate, and the power of N, number of the interest period. And for the last formula is I equal to S minus P, which is used to find compound interest.
For the question 2A, RM28,007 and 25% was deposited in a saving account with the interest rate of K% compounded monthly. After 5 years, the accumulated amount in the account worth RM32,529 and 64%. Find the value of K. So, in this question, we need to identify the keywords that it gives, which is P equal to RM28,007 and 25%, M equal to 12, T equal to 5 years, S equal to RM32,529 and 64%. Then, we need to find the right formula to use. From this question, we use S equal P bracket 1 plus I, the power of N. First, find the value of N by using N equal M multiply T, so 12 multiply 5 and N equal to 60. Next, insert the value in the formula, which is 32,529 ringgit and 64% equal to 28,007 ringgit and 25% bracket 1 plus K divided 12 and the power of 60. Calculate it and we got 1.1615 equal to bracket 1 plus K divided 12 the power of 60. Then forward 1 plus K divided 12 ahead equal to root of 60, 1.1615. Calculate it and we got 1.0025. So K divided 12 equal to 1.0025 minus 1. The final answer, K equal to 3%.
For the question 2B, the question is, Isma had a fund worth 50,000 ringgit and planned to invest the money into different schemes. Scheme A pays 5% compounded every 4 months, and Scheme B pays 3% compounded semi-annually. Considering 7 years of investment, which scheme gives more profit to him? In this question, we use the future value formula, which is S equal P bracket 1 plus I power of N. First, we need to find periodic interest, or we call it I, and number of interest period, or we call it N. For the I, we need to find K and M value. Meanwhile, for N, we need to find M and T value. After that, we apply all the value into the formula. For the scheme A, our K is 5% and our M is 3, and we got the I value, which is 1 per 60. Next, we apply the M and T value, which is our M is 3 and our T is 7, and we got 21. Lastly, we apply all the value in the future value formula. Our P is 50,000 ringgit, our I is 1 per 60, and our N is 21. And the final answer is 70,749 ringgit. For the scheme B, our K and M value is 3% and 2. Our M and T is 2 and 7. After that, we can get the I and N value, which is 14 and 0.015. We apply all the value and we get the final answer for scheme B. The final answer is 61,587 ringgit and 79 cents. In conclusion, Ismail have to choose scheme A because scheme A is better than scheme B. This is because scheme A profitable than scheme B.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Shahmil bin Sarman. I will present about question 3. The question is explain in detail the concept of annuity and list the related formulas. Annuity is a series of periodic payments or deposits usually made in equal amount at equal intervals time. An ordinary annuity certain is an annuity certain for which payments are made at the end of each payment period. Examples of annuity is insurance policy, shop rental, annual dividends, and installment payment. Formula of future value for annuity is equal to R in bracket 1 plus I, the power of n minus 1 divided to I, which is S equal to future value, R which is a periodic payment, I which is interest rate per interest per period, and for n equal to term of investment.
For the question 4a, the question is Sharif deposited 26,519 ringgit and 59 cents in an account. He was offered 4% monthly compound interest at the end of each month. How long can he withdraw 250 ringgit from the account at the end of each month if he started doing so at the beginning of each year? So for this question, we use the present value formula, which is A equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I power of negative n per I. We need to find the I value. For the K, we got 4%, and for N, we got 12. And we got the I value, which is 1 per 300. After that, we apply all the value into the present value formula. For the A, we got the 26,519 ringgit and 59 cents. For the R, we got the 250 ringgit. For the I, we got the 1 per 300. And we need to find the N value. Let's remove the 250 into the left side and we need to times it with the A value. After that, we got the new value, which is 106.078. Then we also need to move 1 per 300 into the left side and times it with 106.078. After we got the new value, we move the 1 into the left side. And for the both side, we got the negative value. For the left side, we got negative 0.6464. And for the right side, we got negative bracket 1.0033 power of negative 10. We change the both side into the positive value. Next, we apply log into the equation and we write log 0.6464 equal log bracket 1.0033 power of negative 10. We need to divide log 0.6464 with log 1.0033 to get the negative n value. Negative n value is negative 132.44 and we change it into the positive value. Our n is 132.44. Next, we apply the n formula into the equation. We write mt equals 132.44. Then we apply the n value, which is 12. We move 12 to right side and the 132.44 we need to divide it with 12. And we got the final answer, which is 11 years.
Next, moving on, question 4, B1 Romans. Suleiman bought a house by making a down payment of 52,000 ringgit. The balance was borrowed from a bank with charged interest of 6.5%,
compounded monthly for 25 years with monthly payment of 987 and 60 cents ringgit. Find the amount of the loan. So to answer this question, we need to use the present value formulas, which is A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I and the power of the negative n divided with I. First of all, we need to find the value of I. To find it, we need to use I equal to K divided by M. To find the value of I, we need to use the formula K divided by M. K 0.0635 divided with M, which is 12, and we get 13 divided with 2,400 ringgit. Next, we need to find the value of N, and we need to use the formula N equal to M times T. M 12 times 25, which is T, and we got 300 ringgit, which is the value for N. Now we need to enter all the value and information into the formula used. So A, which is the amount of loan that we need to find, equal to 987 and 60 cents ringgit, which is the value of R in bracket 1 plus 13 per 2,400 and the power of minus 300 divided with 13 per 2,400.
And the final answer for the amount of the loan is
146,201 ringgit and 06 cent.
Question 4B2 Roman. Sulaiman bought a house by making a down payment of Rm 52,000. The balance was borrowed from a bank with charged interest of 6.5% compounded monthly for 25 years with monthly payment of Rm 987 ringgit and 60 cent. Calculate the interest paid for the loan. As usual, we need to identify the information that be given. From the question for B1 Roman, we are already get A equal to Rn 146,201 ringgit and 6 cent. R equal to Rm 987 ringgit and 60 cent, and N equal to 300 by using N equal M multiply T, which is 12 multiply 25. To find the interest, we use I equal to N multiply R minus A because we already get the value of A in 4B1 Roman. So, insert the value in the formula, which is 300 multiply 987 ringgit and 60 cent minus 146,201 ringgit and 6 cent. Calculate it, and the final answer you will get Rm 149,946 ringgit 94 cent.
Next, I will present about question 4B3. The question is, if Sulaiman failed to make the first 7 payments, how much should he pay on the 8th payment to settle all the outstanding areas? We have to find how much should he pay on the 8th payment to settle all the outstanding areas. We need to use the formula, which is S indicates the future value, equal to R in bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 per I plus bracket. After you solve this question, you will get 8,048 ringgit and 63 cents.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.